Which one the following is not a plantation crop? Answer B. Wheat. In which of the following countries cooperative farming was the most successful experiment? Answer B. Denmark. Growing of flowers is called. Answer C. Floriculture. Which one of the following does not follow monoculture? Answer C. Mixed farming. In which of the following regions is extensive commercial grain cultivation not practiced? Answer D. Africa. Which sector of the economy removes harvest products directly from the earth in order to extract raw material or food? Answer B. Primary. Which sector of the economy takes raw materials from the primary sector and manufactures them into goods? Answer B. Secondary. Which sector of the economy provides the goods and service to business and consumers? Answer D. Tertiary. Hunting and gathering is a part of which sector? Answer A. Primary. In which of the following regions is primitive agriculture practiced? Answer A. Amazon basin. Which one of the following types of cultivation was developed by European colonists? Answer D. Plantation. Which one type of agriculture amongst the following is also called slash and burn agriculture? Answer B. Primitive subsistence agriculture. In which of the following types of agriculture is the farming of citrus fruit very important? Answer C. Mediterranean agriculture. What is used to make chewing gum other than the added flavors? Answer A. Shickle. Which of the following is not true as a feature of plantation agriculture? Answer C. Dominance of wheat and paddy crops. In which region of Alaska reindeer rearing is prevalent? Answer C. Northern regions. Growing of grapes is called. Answer B. Viticulture. Which one of the following is not a plantation crop? Answer C. Wheat. Which of these primary activities did the earliest human engage in? Answer A. Hunting and gathering. Identify the agriculture practice introduced by Europeans in their colonies. Answer A. Plantation. This kind of farming is successfully practiced in Denmark, Belgium, Sweden, and Italy. Answer D. Cooperative farming. Which of these products are obtained from gathering activity but are market oriented and have become commercial? Answer A. Quinine rubber, Balata gum. Which one of the following is the largest region of commercial dairy farming? Answer A. Northwestern Europe. Which one of the following types of cultivation was developed by European colonists? Answer D. Plantation. Which one of the following does not follow monoculture? Answer C. Mixed farming. Denmark is known for. Answer C. Dairy farming. Ladang is the name of which of the following agriculture systems? Answer B. Primitive subsistence agriculture. Which of the following is not a characteristic of dairy farming practice in the world? Answer D. Practice near rural areas. Which of the following is not a primary activity? Answer D. Manufacturing. Which of the following animals are not reared in the Sahara? Answer D. Platypus. What is used to make chewing gum other than the added flavors? Answer A. Shickle. Which is the oldest activity of man? Answer B. Gathering. Which of the tribes practice transhumance? Answer C. Barker walls. In which of the following types of agriculture is the farming of citrus fruit very important? Answer C. Mediterranean agriculture. Identify the agriculture practice introduced by Europeans in their colonies. Answer A. Plantation. The gathering is a practice in answer A. Amazon basin. Identify the activities which are directly related to the environment. Answer B. Primary activities. Which of the following is not a feature of plantation agriculture? Answer D. Highly skilled labor.